Drug name Kanchanara. Family Leguminosae. Botanical name Baumeri variegata. Synonyms Gandari, Yugmapatraka, Swalpakeshari, Kovidara, Karbudara, Sonapushpa, Chamarika. English name Camel's foot. Morphology Vriksha. Chemical composition tannin, beta-sitosterol, lupiol, camphorol. Rasa Kashaya. Guna Ruksha Lagu. Virya Shita. Vipaka Katu. Indications Shita, Grahi, Kafapittahara, Krimi, Kushta, Gudabramsha, Gandamala, Vruna, Pradara, Kshaya, Kasahara. Useful part Tvak, Pushpa. Dosage powder 3 to 6 gram, decoction 40 to 80 ml. Special formulation Kanchanara Gugulu, Kanchanaradi Kwata, Kanchanar Gulika, Kovidaradi Kashaya. Besonim Kanchanam Tadvarnam Ruchati Pushpaihi. The flowers of Kanchanara is golden yellow in color. Synonyms Kanchanara Kanchanako, Gandari Shoshapushpakaha, Kovidara Chamarika, Kuddalo Yagmapatrakaha, Kandoli Tamra Pushpacha, Ashpamantaka Swalpakeshari. Gunakarma Kanchanaro Himograhi, Tuvaraha Shleshma Pittanut, Krimi, Kushta, Gudabramsha, Gandamala Vrinapaha, Kovidara Api Tadvatsyat, Tayo Pushpa Lagusmitam, Ruksha Sangrahi Pitta, Asir Pradhara Kshaya Kasanut.